everybody, it's Falcon and Bug here.
And today I'm going to be teaching you and Falcon how to make paper claws. So paper claws are little, just little claws that you put on your fingers
So I've never done, I've done this once.
to practice.
Yeah, before the video. So now I'm going to try it today and hopefully I get it right.
So you take your paper. I'll do it like this so you guys can see it better. So you take your paper like this. You fold it like you're going to make a square, but you don't make a square.
There's no cutting involved.
No.
So then you make the crease.
Then you take your paper, fold this down to the bottom.
All the way there. Then it should look like this.
Yes. I think, wait, did you do it
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you did. Then you take it, you fold it like this to make almost a square. But you should have this little triangle here that's not in there.
There.
Okay, then you take this, put it like this, and
Fold it in half.
like that. Okay. And then you want to fold this in half. This is the hardest fold in the thing.
It looks easy, but it's actually hard.
Because the paper gets tough at this point.
Yeah.
Just fold it down.
Okay.
Unfold it. Then you take this side. It should feel a little thicker than the other side.
Yeah.
And then you fold it like down like this.
So it touches the middle of the crease.
Yeah, it touches the crease. And then you crease that really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, then you fold this over and like wrap that. Falcon, you're doing okay.
Yeah. I'm doing better than the practice.
Yeah, a little better.
Yeah.
So then after you've done this, it should look like this.
Then
And then you fold this over one more time, and you're almost finished. Oh, I did bad on this one.
okay.
Well, this is still what you're supposed to do. Okay, you take this, you kind of like pop it open, like that. And then you take the floppy end that's not connected like this, and shove it down in there. Okay, then when you have this, you should be able to open this up, and then stick your finger in there.
There. Yay! Actually, it did good this time.
So then, if we take the time to make 5 of these,
We have a whole hand.
I've actually made like 17, but I only put 5 in this video. So then you'll have like paper claws and you can make weird noises with them.
Like horse galloping.
Like, they don't hurt that much, but if you hit people like that, it would hurt. So,
Like if you're like a super good origami thing.
yeah,
like,
if you make them like sharp, they would hurt.
Yeah. So,
I'll leave them on, I guess.
yeah.
So, thank you for watching, and you can like pause the video if you need to make it easier for you to like follow the steps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if this worked for you or if it was a little too fast. So like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.
Peace out.